Welcome. Welcome to dear teacher. And in this class, teach you. I'm going to teach you MCQs. Let us have some MCQs in this video. MCQs in the quadratic equations. Okay. In my description, you can have few more MCQs by clicking the link. Right. I'm going to give MCQs in all the chapters, which are very much helpful because in all the schools साइकिल टेस्ट शुरू हो गया है. सो हर एक चैप्टर में मैंने MCQs टेस्ट बनाया है. वो MCQs टेस्ट आपको बहुत काम पे आएंगे. राइट. सो देन I request all of you to subscribe my channel and join my Dear Teacher app. Join my Dear Teacher app. And try to take help from me. So let us start MCQs. Okay. So the first MCQ is on the screen. Okay. Hello. First MCQ is on the screen. Let us try to do that question. Okay. Now quadratic equation, a very common question. You have to find the quadratic equation. Say these are the quadratic equation. A, B, C, D. 4 quadratic equations are given. In this, roots are given. One root is this. One root is this. Okay. So now, depending on this, you have to find out the quadratic equation. Right. So some of the you can do it in n number of ways. You can do it in n number of ways. And one easy thing I will be giving you. Let us say alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. So then x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is one method I am just giving you. Right. So another method is also there. First let me complete this method. X square, right, minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square, alpha plus beta, add these two things, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. If you add it, what happened? 4 will be getting. So minus 4x plus, if you multiply these two things, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square root 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. So this is 1. So is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So which is the answer? C is the correct answer. Got it? So another method is also there. Whatever method you are feeling comfortable, you can do in this method. So now another method is uh, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 4 is equal to b by a. Okay, minus b by a, I'm sorry. And here c by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, 4 minus 1 is nothing but 1 is equal to c by a. In both the things, a is equal to 1 and minus b is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So that means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So a is 1, x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So even in this case also this. Whatever the method is easy for you, you can go into that method. So here the um, answer is C. Let us go to the second question. Second question. The positive value of the k of the equation x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. So two equations both have real roots. So here two equations are given, x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. So in this both have real roots. Both have real roots means here it depends on discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So real roots means d is greater than or equal to 0. Only real roots. Equal, unequal, nothing is given. So d is greater than or equal to 0, then roots are real. So these conditions you must be remembering. Otherwise what happens, you can't go ahead. So then b square minus 4ac, let us find out for both the things. So b square, a is equal to 1, I will write directly here. Okay, a is equal to 1, b is equal to k. So k square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c is 64 is greater than or equal to 0 and k square is equal to 4 4 is 60 is greater than 0 and k square is greater than or equal to 256 and k is greater than or equal to 256 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so k square is equal to 16, k square is equal to 256, k is equal to 16. Okay, let us say k is equal to 16. Positive value. So plus or minus 16 will come, but 16. Here k is equal to 16. Here also let us see. B square 64, 4ac, 4k, okay, is greater than or equal to 0. So then 4k is equal to 64 and k is equal to 16 here also. Okay, in both the cases. So answer is 16. At k is equal to 16, what happened? Are 16 or more than 16? Actually, this has a complication. So then the positive value for k is 16. Here real roots are given, real and equal roots are given. The area तो easy हो जाता है. real and equal roots. So this is a second question. Let us go to third question. Determine the value of k for the quadratic equations. Quadratic equation has real roots. So real roots means again d is greater than or equal to 0, b square a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to k. So b square minus 4ac, 9 minus 4k is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So 4k is greater than or equal to 9 minus 9. So change the signs, it will become less than, and k is less than or equal to 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 is the answer. Okay. 2 for the 8, I'm sorry. 8, 9 by 8. Less than or equal to 9 by 8. This is greater than symbol, wrong answer. This is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. And this is correct answer. Less than or equal to. Okay, minus a is greater than minus 7. If you want to make it positive, sign also will become 7. Remember this fact. So answer is k is equal to okay. So let us go to next question. If I had walked 1 kilometers hour faster, I would have taken 10 minutes less to walk 2 kilometers than the rate of walking. Okay, 1 kilometer hour faster. Let us skip this question. Which of the following equation has two distinct roots? Two distinct real roots. That means k is greater than or equal to 0. This condition should be satisfied, right? So this condition, in which one has this condition? So you can see b square minus 4ac is the main expression. B square is here 1, 1 minus 20, it is equal to minus, no. This is also you can have 1 plus 20, okay. Elimination, you eliminate these two things and you can have it. So here 9 minus 20, this is also no. Okay, here 9 minus 16 is also no. So answer might be this one. Let us check it. Okay, b square is 1 minus minus into minus plus 20. Okay, so 21. So this is k is greater than or equal to 0. So here let us see 9 minus 4 5 are 20 minus 11. Wrong answer because it should be greater than 0. Here b square is 1 minus 20 minus 19, even this is also no. This one let us take 9 minus 16, so minus 7 is also no. So our, that means this value b square minus 4 as ac should be greater than or equal to 0 to have real roots, distinct real roots. So the answer is C. C is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next question. The roots of the quadratic equation are real, real and equal. Let us find out b square minus 4ac. B square is 16, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. 16 minus 4 5 are 20. So minus 4. So less than 0, that means less than 0. Therefore not real. Okay, b is less than 0. Minus numbers are always less than 0. Therefore it is not real. Okay. Let us have next question. The roots of are equal. So roots, given that they are equal, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, so if you put this condition in this equation, let us see what will come. B is p, so it is equal to p square 4 into ac. A is equal to 1, c is equal to minus q. So it will become plus 4q is equal to 0. Okay, so then p square is equal to minus 4q. So first answer is correct. Okay, you have to be very careful. I have written directly, but be careful. So p square is equal to 4q. If plus 4q goes that side, it will become minus 4q. This is next question. Let us go to the next question. Two numbers whose sum is 12, absolute value is difference is 4, then the roots of the equation. Okay, this also we will skip it. If one root of yeah, if one root is 1, find the other root. Find the other root. Okay, find a actually. You have to find out a and then go for the other root. So one root is 1. If you substitute in this, what happened? It will get satisfied. 1 square is 1. A into 1 is a, plus 3 is equal to 0, and a is equal to minus 4. The quadratic equation is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So for this factors, you can find out the factors. X minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 3. So other 0 is 3. B is the correct answer. Okay, one, this is one root 1 already given. Another root is x minus 3, that means 3 is the another root. So this is how it will go. Next, x is equal to 2 is the root of quadratic equation. 2x 3x square plus px minus 2, then the value of p. So 3x square minus px minus 2 is equal to 0. One root is 2. Root means if you substitute in this equation should get satisfied. So 3, 2 square, 2 square, p into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 4 into 3, 12, minus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2p plus 10 is equal to 0, and 2p is equal to 10, and p is equal to 5. So 5 is the correct answer. Let us go to next question. So has this equation, we have to find out the nature of the roots. So that means you should find out b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, b is minus 20, and c is a is equal to 4, and c is equal to 25. So put these values. 20 minus 20 square 400, 4 into 425 is 100, 4 into 100 400. So 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. So real and equal. This is the correct answer. The main focus in this class is only on the nature of the roots. The roots are again same question is given. X square minus 11x minus 10 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 11. And C is equal to minus 10. So you have to find out b square minus 4ac. So the value is b square is minus 11 whole square 121. 4ac, 4 into 1 4 minus 40, so plus 40 is equal to 161. It is greater than or equal to 0. The roots are real and unequal because it is not equal to 0, real and unequal, real and distinct. Okay, distinct is 4 and not equal also, both are okay, right? They are real roots. This answer is wrong. Real equal wrong. These two, any answer is correct. So like this, if you are finding distinct means different, that means unequal. So both are means the same. In the exam, if it comes like this, now you can put any one answer, right? So don't put for both the answers. You keep only one answer. So that is one. So the roots are reciprocals to each other. Okay, one root is alpha, another root is 1 by alpha, reciprocals. So now sum is equal to minus b by a. So one is product is equal to c by a. Product means 1, c is c by a, so c is equal to a. So c is equal to a is the correct answer. This is wrong, and this is wrong, and this is wrong. Okay, so now this question let us have. So like this, all the MCQs will go, right? I hope this is a very important a very important concept. MCQs will decide your score. Okay, 20 MCQs. It's not an easy task. So I request all the students to focus on MCQs very much. So MCQ test I have already made. Go to the description and go through the link. So then you can have MCQ test as well as some videos. Bye bye. See you. Again, I request like,